Hi, ni hao, I'm Chef Tom. Today we are going to make sushi. This is cooked sushi rice. First, you wash and rinse the rice for a couple of times, and then you cook it. And now it's done and it's well cooked. And this is the ingredient for the sushi rice vinegar. So rice vinegar you mix with sugar, salt, and some dashi or kabu. Dashi is like a Japanese flavor for the stock when they make soup, but this is really good for the ingredient with the rice vinegar. Okay, so you pour it in, and what you're gonna do, you want to mix it. And the rice is really hot right now. We need to bring the temperature down, cool off a little bit until like a room temperature. So now you're just using the cutting motion to mixing the rice with the vinegar mixture. It's nice to use a wooden bowl like this, because with this hot steamy rice and with the vinegar, this wooden bowl will absorb the excess moisture from the rice. And when the rice starts cooling down a little more, and it will eventually get really sticky. That's what you want. Even though when I do this, sometimes you can fan it, or you can take a break, and the rice eventually will get nice and evenly like this. You see now it's forming too much stickier, which is the best to make sushi. And now I'm going to show you how to prepare some of the ingredients. Now the rice is done after 2-3 minutes, and I use a moist towel, just cover up and put on the side. I got a nice English cucumber. I like to use the English cucumber for the sushi, and at home, simple way. So we're gonna just split the cucumber into half like this, okay? And then I do another half. Split another half, just one. I'm gonna take some of the seed out, just like this. And then the same thing. And then the smaller pieces, you can just cut into 3. Or the bigger, wider one, you can cut into 4. This is a very simple way to do at home. And English cucumber is very crispy. So you have cucumber like this that you can put into your sushi. Okay? After we finish cut the cucumber, this avocado is a ripe avocado. And what I usually do is I just trim a little bit, tip off here, like that. And just kind of use your knife, split it in half. There's a seed in the middle. Okay? Just go like this. And then just bring it up. And the seed here, just use your knife, get it. Okay, so you just twist it, and then get it out. That's it. Now you have a 2 avocado, and I'm going to show you a simple way to get the meat out. Okay? I just got this ingredient today. I have a few friends come over later. This is the sushi grade salmon, yellowfin tuna, cooked shrimp, some seaweed salad, ginger, we got avocado, cucumber, and nothing better than fresh made wasabi. Very easy to make. Mix with some water to show you all the instruction here. And eel sauce. I love this Japanese mayo. We're gonna make some mayo hot sauce. Let's get started. First, we are going to make salmon avocado roll. I have a nori here. This is the rough side. You want to place the rice on the rough side. So I just simply make a half. Split it into half first. I'm making a small roll. And you're just gonna tear apart like this. And put it on the side. And now we're gonna place the sushi rice. I have a bowl of just water, and I put some vinegar in. Just make sure your hand is washed clean. If you have any soap in your hand, it will taste it. So you don't want to do that. So you want to rinse your hand really, really good, many times. Now I just wet my hand, just put it like this. Okay, like this. And then go like this. So your hand have to be wet, so the rice will not stick on your hand. And we're gonna get some rice. And I don't usually like to put a lot of rice, about this much, okay? And you're just gonna place it on your sushi, like this, okay? And you don't want to press it too hard. You want the rice to have some air. Just go like that, push it out a little bit in the front, and bring it back a little bit in the back. That's it, okay? And if you see like a couple spots missing, you can just place a little rice like this. slices of the fresh salmon. Just like that. Put it right here. And one more. Okay. We're gonna use the avocado. What I like to do is very simple at home. Just use your like a diner fork, knife, like this. You just cut, watch, like this. Squeeze out. Right here. One more. Just like this. Okay. Now we're gonna roll it. And I use the bamboo mat, and you just wrap it with a saran wrap a couple of times. What you're gonna do, you just use your two finger, hold it, go like this. And you don't want to press it too hard, you just want to kind of like squeeze at the bottom with your finger. Then roll one more time, like this. That's your sushi roll. Okay, then you can do like this. That's it. You use a wet towel and use your knife, wet down with it. And we're gonna cut in the middle first. This. And flip over. Nice and even. Put it down a little more. Cut one more time. That's it. And I usually like to place the not so attractive one, this side, in the middle, like this. Here's your salmon avocado roll. We're gonna put on the side. Next we are going to make the tuna cucumber roll. Again, the raw side down. And just gonna get a little bit of rice, not too much. You don't want to put lots of rice. A little bit will be okay. Just go like this. If you never make sushi before, just try it. You need to try it a few times, and then it will become easier. See, like this. And now we have a few spots here. I like to leave a little room out here. Maybe just like a 3/4 inch or 1/2 inch. See, I don't like to press the rice too much because, as I said, you need some air. So when you bite into the sushi, the rice is just falling apart in your mouth and have a very light taste of the fish and the cucumber. It's important to make sure the corner of the seaweed, make sure you have rice, cover up. Alright, now we're gonna get a two beautiful piece of cucumber in, and we're gonna slice some yellowfin tuna. Beautiful, it's very fresh. And you make sure you get the sushi grade fish, usually from the Asian market or Japanese store. Ooh, I love sashimi. This is so good. Alright, put it right here. You can make this at home. Very simple. Now we're gonna roll it. Hold your meat, and you just roll like this, first time. And then roll over again. You wet the knife first, and we're gonna cut in between, right here. And then put it together. Wet your knife again. This. Right. This right here. This right here. Alright. And next time we're gonna do the inside out California roll. Some rice here. Then just gonna squeeze the rice gently like this forward. And then bring it back. Just like this. And whatever fill you need. I usually like to put too much rice at the beginning. And I can just fill up like this. Okay? I'm gonna sprinkle some sesame seed. Black sesame seed, white sesame seed will be okay. I'm just gonna flip it over. And then place my cucumber. And this is like a fish cake. Crab meat, they say. Not really crab. Okay. Avocado. This. Then I just gently use your hand. Just kind of roll over. Okay. And use your bamboo mat. Gently press. The bottom, you need to go like this. And the top will eventually pressure down. So you don't want to like squeeze it really hard. You know, you want to be like just gently firm. Like this. Okay. Now, we're gonna wet go like this. Next, we are going to make avocado roll. I love avocado. It's really good for you. Sushi use a lot of avocado. Okay, just a little bit here. Good. Now we're gonna cut the avocado like this. A nice chunk. And one more big chunk like this. Okay. And now we're gonna roll it. Hold your avocado like this. See, like this. Gently. Up. Go around one more time. Like this. It's the proper way to roll sushi. Don't press it like this. It's not good. Okay. Now it's done. You want to make sure. See the seal like this? You can do like gently one more time, make it nice and even. Okay, today we are going to make all small roll. Next time we make fancy kind. Now we're going to cut it. Like this. Bring over. Make sure your knife has to be sharp. Okay. To make the spicy mayo, I use the sashimi. Mix in some like this to your taste. Sriracha or samba or hot chili oil will be good. Do a little hot sauce like this. And I use the panjun sauce. Or you can just drizzle a little bit teriyaki sauce. Not much, just a little bit. For the saltiness and the flavor. Like this. Okay. I'm just going to mix it nice and evenly. Here's your mayo spicy sauce. Here are the sushi you can make at home. And salmon avocado, tuna avocado with the California roll. If you like, you can put on the top of the masago, which is those orange eggs, and some ginger, wasabi, and a shrimp avocado. And I also have some just a plain simple avocado roll and cucumber roll. And just have to try it at home and take a few time. You'll be good at it. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching Fortune Cooking. I will see you next time. Enjoy! And next time we make the big roll, the special kind. Or you can request to me and I can make it for you. Bye!